this April 30th of 2021 at a retail price of $250. Each one of you guys are going to be having the opportunity of copying the upcoming release of the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6, set to release in a British khaki, sail, and bright crimson color scheme. This Travis Scott Air Jordan 6 features a khaki suede upper, along with crimson branding and translucent tongues, as well as featuring a stash pocket on the collar and the iconic cactus jack and Nike Air branding. Overall, this is a sneaker you don't want to miss out on, and if you are thinking about personally copying this release, it's definitely one that you should consider. The reason being is that even though this sneaker is going to be a great opportunity to resell right off the bat because of its popularity, because of the fact that it is such a nice design, a lot of people are thinking about personally copying. Now, that is a great option, being set at a retail price of $250. And now if we go over and take a quick look at places like StockX and GOAT and check out what they are currently listing this sneaker at, and it is sitting above $750 on the resale marketplace. Now, of course, these haven't released yet and the numbers are going to be changing over time, but I am estimating anywhere between $450 to $800 on the resale marketplace, depending on how many pairs release and what size you are acquiring. Looking back at the previous Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott collaboration in the olive green colorway, you guys can see that right now we are still sitting at anywhere between $650 to $700 in the resale marketplace, and that's months after the sneaker has released. Now in 2021, this is a rarity. We aren't seeing a ton of Travis Scott and Air Jordan or Nike doing many collaborations, so being that this is such a sought after release, now I want to tell you how to acquire. Not only is the Nike sneakers app going to be hosting stock for this drop, but we are going to be seeing it made available on the TravisScott.com website, where you guys can sign up for a raffle right now by simply going below and checking out the list of resources I've made available for you guys. You can also enter the raffle for Oneness, A Ma Maniere, Social Status, and Feature right now, along with the European release, which is at Nike Sneakers UK, and Clothing, any number of other retailers. Making yourself available on release day is the most important thing. Setting up notifications on websites like the sneakers app, along with going through the process of joining DubHaus and having them send you guys notifications on all of these releases, is vital to your success. Without DubHaus and the resources that they provide, you guys won't be sent to the correct place or know where, when, and how to cop these releases in the most efficient means possible. By joining DubHaus, our exclusive cook group will teach you everything you need to know to be successful in copying this release, not only for personal pairs, but hopefully be as successful as the rest of their members and cop multiple pairs on release day of this sneaker and many others in the future. Finally, to give you guys a little bit of a quick tip that I like to utilize on release day, especially on the sneakers app, is utilizing something that I like to call the simulated proxy. By setting up your phone, tablet, and computer up to 3 separate connections, such as internet and the LTE on your tablet and phone, you can scramble your connection, look like multiple entities, and potentially get through multiple times on release day and cop this very drop. This is a simple, quick method that I like to mention, especially for big releases like this one, where you should maximize the benefit of these little tricks and try to enter into this release as many places as possible, as well as being there on release day is vital to your success. Finally, to wrap today's video, there will be also an apparel collection going along with this sneaker that is releasing alongside of it, so anyone who's looking for an alternative cop who doesn't end up getting the Travis Scott Air Jordan 6 sneaker could potentially go after the resale potential that's hidden on the alternative pieces, such as the apparel within this collection. A lot of people lack the knowledge and lack the understanding that there's even the opportunity there to make money on things that go along with big releases like this, that they could sell at the same places such as StockX, GOAT, or any other resale method that you typically use to sell a pair of sneakers, and you shouldn't just limit yourself to sneakers. I hope you learned something from today's video, and if you'd like to learn more, remember to go to the link in the description below and join DubHaus today. Thank you all so much for watching, and good luck on release day.